Be honest. When was the last time you really cleaned your microwave? Is it a mess of baked-on food? Ugh, gross. What if you could make it sparkle like new in just 2 minutes and with absolutely zero scrubbing? You can. Here's the magic trick. You only need 2 things. A microwave-safe bowl and either a bit of white vinegar or a sliced-up lemon. Plus some water. That's it. No harsh chemicals needed, no sprays, no fancy gear. Just simple, natural ingredients you probably already have at home. Here's what to do. Fill your bowl about halfway with water. Add a generous splash of vinegar, or just chuck in your sliced lemon. Place the bowl inside your filthy microwave. Now set it to high power for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see the water bubbling and steam coating the window. This is where the magic starts. But don't open the door just yet. Here's the crucial bit. Once the timer dings, leave the microwave closed for another 5 minutes. The trapped steam is loosening all that stubborn, baked-on gunk, turning cleaning into an absolute breeze. So hands off for a bit and let the steam do the hard work. Now the most satisfying part. Safety first. Use an oven mitt to carefully lift out the hot bowl, because that water will be steaming. Grab a damp sponge or cloth, open the door and just wipe. Watch as the grime slides right off with barely any effort. No harsh scrubbing, no elbow grease, just a sparkling clean surface revealed in seconds. Oh, that is so satisfying. And there you have it. From absolutely filthy to sparkling clean in minutes with almost no work. Your microwave is now clean enough to eat out of, well, almost. If this hack just blew your mind, give this video a massive like, and don't forget to subscribe to another how-to guru for more simple, satisfying secrets to make your life easier. Go on, treat your microwave to some love. You deserve it.